Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the strong LEAP-S3 Plus. Pimp your television with the smart Google TV box here. This small, compact, smart Google television box is the right choice for our television. We connect this strong LEAP-S3 Plus to upgrade our television to a smart television with direct access to the Google Play Store. This Google television box is equipped with the latest version of Android 11 and offers us an excellent user experience. The special thing about the new remote control are the number buttons from 0 up to 9. Users who want to use and watch IPTV apps can use these buttons to select a television channel. Additionally, it is Google certified and allows access to numerous apps, streaming services, and more. We enjoy our favorite films directly from Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, or Disney Plus, and so on. With an effective interface, we can quickly find and enjoy the entertainment we want. The LEAP-S3 Plus also features a must-haves like 4K Ultra HD resolution, the H.265 decoding, Wi-Fi 5 dual band, Chromecast capability, and more. Dolby Vision-Atmos ensure the best picture and sound we have ever seen before for our favorite movies. With the full features Google Assistant, we can control playback, play, or resume television shows and movies with voice commands. And it gets answers to quizzes. We have a USB port, and we have Bluetooth 5.0, HDMI version 2.1, and an Ethernet port. We complete the package and offers us an unparalleled television experience. It's Google certified, and it's really easy. You can connect the box with your television, which is not smart, easily by using the HDMI cable. Then plug it into the power socket and the device will switch on. Here you can see the setup on your television. It works easily. Okay? After this process, the only thing is you have to start your television. And after you started your television, while the strong television box is with the LED like a little blue as you can see, after this go to the HDMI port. In my case here it was the HDMI port 4, but maybe you have 1, 2, 3 or something. After this it will automatically switch to the Google television box with the latest Android version. And after this, you can go on with the process of setup. Then, convenient listening and navigation of the content in the apps. This starts with Google Television recommended content video resolution up to 4K Ultra HD. These are 3840 to 2160 pixels. We have here a quad-core Cortex A35 2 GHz CPU. That means user-friendly and easy-to-use interface, easy connection to the internet via integrated WLAN or LAN itself. That means you can connect while you make the setup. You can connect to your Wi-Fi network. You can, after this, or otherwise, you can connect with a LAN cable. LAN, that means a wired connection to the internet. These two possibilities to connect to the internet are easy and they work. Convenient remote control with Bluetooth and voice control functions. It uses Google Assistant to quickly find the latest blockbusters and more. We have a built-in Chromecast for streaming HD movies from our mobile phone to a television screen. Video streaming from the internet, easy download and installation of apps from the Play Store with individual sorting. Access apps, games, streaming services and more via Google Play. It supports Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. It connects to other devices and share data via Bluetooth We share digital media between multimedia devices. On that device, we have one USB 2.0 port for playback, and software updates via the internet are possible. It supports MPEG-4, H.264/AVC, or H.265/HEVC with 4K Ultra HD. It supports high dynamic range with HDR, and it supports HTML5. The connections are AS/PDIF, HDMI, USB 2.0, LAN, that means internet, 12-volt 1 ampere DC power supply, which is included, and Wi-Fi. And of course, Bluetooth is enabled if you like. This is the LEAP-S3 Plus. This pimps your television with the smart Google television box ever. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Son.